Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I'll get down and get straight to the point. If you have a Mitsubishi or a Ford and you're trying to see the misfire data, which is a very annoying that they can't just show you numbers, go to mode 6. Mode 6 will give you the misfire data on Fords and Mitsubishis. It's stupid, but most other manufacturers you can see the numbers in real time. But we're going to see if this one's misfiring. It talks about the oxygen sensors and all the other great stuff, but I'm going to scroll to the misfire data, and it's not misfiring at all. So that's how you tell if it's misfiring with a Ford or a Mitsubishi. Thank you.